Let's take a look at Canaryseed. My name is Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is March the 28th, 2025, and we'll look at Canaryseed on the Klarenbach.ca website, the member area. If you're having trouble accessing it, let me know, and I will get that resolved quicker rather than later. Let's take a look at Canaryseed here. And on this member area, you can access the previous reports. It's really easy to see, really easy to access. What we'll start off here is we'll talk about our sentiment, and you can see that we have neutral sentiment. It's been neutral for quite some time. It continues to be neutral over the next 4 weeks, and then we're bearish. You'll also see that we published a sell signal on a break below 30 cents. Published that back in February. It has not triggered yet. Our Klarenbach price index has not been triggered below $30, or the sell signal is not triggered yet using the Klarenbach price index below 30 cents a pound, but we do anticipate that it could in the future very well. This is our long-term price chart. You can see here, this 30 cents has been a psychologically important level. I'd say it's resistance, some sort of support, resistance, support. Now it's acting as support again. So we'll see if that continues to hold. And if it doesn't, how much lower the price can go. This is the hopefully you can see this quite well. A little bit blurry on my screen, but this is the yearly candlestick chart. The yearly candlestick chart. And the reason I like using the candlesticks rather than the line charts, you get more information. The line chart will just show you the closing price of the year. Well, the candlesticks will show you the entire price movement, right from the open to the close, the high and back here, and right down to the low. You can see quite a wide range in the prices at those times. Obviously, this is an important level. This 30-cent level is very important. It shows on this candlestick chart. The week, this is a quarterly chart. Same idea. A few more wiggles and squiggles, a few more candles on here. Each candle represents 3 months. And, we're back at this 30-cent level. Very significant, in my opinion. And this here is the monthly chart, and you will remember, this goes back a couple years now. When we first started our analysis, we drew this trend line, a different chart format at that time, line chart, but we anticipated a retest of it, and we're getting that right now. The retest of this trend line lines up right at 30 cents. Like, honestly, no buyers are using technical analysis. Very few are using technical analysis, if any, in the Canaryseed market. But so nobody's looking at this. Nobody's waiting for this retest of the trend line to find some support, and that's what's happening. So I can't explain why it is other than all of these asset classes move in the same manner. Canaryseed trades the same as the S&P 500, trades the same as Apple, trades the same as Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So, if you're not a believer, you really gotta give it a chance and look at it. So this here, again, this chart here, this is one of my charts that a little more definition to this chart. You can see our sell signal. The sell signal hasn't triggered here yet, right at 30 cents. But I'm looking at possible support between that 28 and 29 level. There's some reasons why I think that could be possible support. So we might lose a couple cents here. The problem is breaking around number like 30. It can go a heck of a lot lower. And if we're seeing, if we start seeing another sell-off in the wheats, I think we'll see the sell-off in everything, including Canaryseed. So keep an eye on this. This could be a stage 1 accumulation. That's why we're neutral until we either make a higher high or a lower low below 30 cents a pound. And then we will become bearish. I'm still bearish in the longer time frame, because the moving averages are above and advancing. We haven't made a higher high. I'm going to stick with what the longer term trend is, which is down. So in the longer time frame, I am bearish, but I'm neutral in the shorter time frames until we make either a higher high or a lower low below 30 cents and our sell signal is triggered. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.